Copyright, copy wrong. Let's talk about it. I think one of the reasons that so many people have challenges with copyright is because they confuse the issues around feelings and the issues around the money. So here I hope to help you with that by looking at some of the questions carefully. First, there are the self-analysis questions. Do I care about the feelings of the original maker? Is this mindful? Is this fair? Is this the right thing to do? Is this generous? If I don't get caught, does this really matter? I think for a lot of people it boils down to that. Are my feelings hurt in the case of my work being copied? Here is a summary of the questions around feelings. Here are the legal analysis questions that you should think about. Do I care about the income of the original maker? How much money did it cost? How much money was lost? Can I prove how much was lost? Is it enough to justify pursuing it in court? Is it enough to justify the court's time? Which court do you take it to? What if the people doing the copying are in a faraway country? Can you afford the legal costs if your case gets drawn out? Here is a summary of some of those legal questions. If you would like to stay out of trouble with copyright and respect the rights of copyright, then ask for permission, listen to the terms of feedback, and name the artist in the work. If it is important to you that you receive credit as the owner of the work, make sure that your name appears on the work. If you found this information useful, please join my online school on Patreon.